Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm racing in Czech Republic, and I usually, if I see, let's say, some interesting RC rally drivers, I try to interview them. And today we have a special guest, Elsika. Welcome.
Hello, hello.
Elsika is an extremely fast female RC rally driver. There are not a lot of female RC rally driver around, and since I'm coming here to race in Czech Republic, I see her growing because she is very young, and each year she's becoming faster and faster. Elsika, welcome to YouTube channel again, and some informations about you, from how long do you play RC rally, how you started to play RC rally.
So I'm 15, and I started since I was 8 with almost the oldest model,
Which was
the TT.
TT02?
Yes.
Okay.
That. It was a struggle, but I managed to place third in ladies, and then my dad gave me his, which was better. It was the XV, and then I started like moving up the ladder, and I was second in ladies trophy, and then my dad realized that
You have some skills.
Yes, and with a better car I can do better. So he left me his car, and he took mine, the old one, and then we just started to collaborate with it, what I can drive and not, how fast I can go, and trying to go faster and faster.
Okay, talking about your car, if you can show what are you driving.
Yes. So it's Tux. It's the first version, and we bought it like 3 months ago, I think. Actually, I painted this alone.
Few words about this chassis. Elsika mentioned this is a Tux. If you follow my channel, you know what she is meaning. This is, let's say, a conversion kit to convert a X-Ray buggy into a RC rally car, and it's extremely effective. Here in Czech Republic, almost everyone uses a Tux.
Yeah, almost everyone. The guy Kuba, he is selling it like I would say all around the world.
Yeah.
And in Czech, most people have it here.
Yeah, in fact, when we started to race from Poland here in Czech Republic, we realized that we need to build our version of a conversion. And as you know, I have my own X-Ray X-B4 converted into RC Rally. Okay, so about the setup, you said that your dad is your, let's say, private mechanic.
Yes, he is.
Is he good?
Yes, he's good. He knows what I like about the car, so he does it that way, and he always sets it up good, so I can have a good place.
Okay.
And I just managed to score good, and I'm really happy to be in the Team Tux, that I managed to make it, and that they even want me there.
Yeah, because let's say Tux chooses the fastest RC rally driver, and he puts them under his team Tux. As you can see here from the body, we have Tux logo here and there. And okay, we can see that you're using a 13.5T motor. Let's say quite simple hobby wing-esque, but of course a fast servo, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so Elsika, I will give you my camera. You will film the next stage, and everyone around the world will see how fast are you.
Yes, that's fine. That's fine with me, of course.
2 sekundy. Jo. Na mostku mám o tom video.
Vlastně mě ujel, že?
Jo, a Kuba tam byl stejný.
Tak jsem viděl, že bude se snažit někde zatáčky pozadu.
we are right after the stage. Elsika, you draw in an amazing way. Congratulations. I think
Thank
that many of my subscribers are amazed and surprised by your skills. Do you want to say something to any girl that's watching the video right now?
Well, if you're watching, then I definitely recommend to start racing. It's fun, and it's. I don't think it gets to bore you. And if you think someone will judge you, then don't, or just tell them to just not watch.
Okay. Another questions about your future. Do you think in the future, I don't know, to study engineering or something related, let's say, to a mechanic?
No, I don't think so. I just got accepted to a school, and I'm gonna be studying to be a photographer.
Oh, congrats.
So I hope to photograph here or anywhere else.
Well, I'm starting to feel a bit of pressure because I think that I filmed you in a good way while you were racing, so please don't judge me too much.
It's okay.
Okay, so thank you for being here, thank you for your time. Guys, a reminder to leave a like, subscribe in order to support my channel, and if you want to leave a comment, Elsika, you're going to read, I think, the comments under this video.
Of course.
So if you want to, you can leave a comment, you can say congratulations to Elsika for her driving style, and okay guys, thank you again for staying here, and see you next week for a new video. Ciao!